What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about EZVIZ's C8W Pro security camera. So this is a 360 degree camera with auto tracking. So this is going to allow you to track, or at least use AI to auto track you around your backyard, your front yard, side yard, you name it. It's going to track you around the house. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing down below. Also, you can follow me on all of my social media channels. Another thing is, this is another EZVIZ security camera. I've reviewed quite a few, I'd say about a handful of them, and I'll put those links in the description below so you can check them out too after this video. This one is their C8W Pro, and I reviewed one that had a 360 degree camera of EZVIZ's. This one is the Pro version of the CW8 or C8W. And it also has auto tracking. The other one does not have auto tracking, it just has a zoom or dual camera. So this one, it tracks you, which is really cool. What I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this unboxed, show you what you get in the box, kind of show you a little bit about what's on the box, the features, as well as I want to get this installed. I want to go ahead and show you what's on the app, so on the iPhone, so you can kind of cruise around on the iPhone, show you what kind of features it has, as well as I'm going to give you some sample footage of daytime, nighttime, and color night vision, because it's got a spotlight camera, which is really cool. And then we're also going to see how long does it take for it to alert you, because that's really important, as well as how quickly does it catch you and track where you're going. So before we open this up and show you what's in the box, this retails for about $150, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out current pricing. So for 2K and Spotlight and 360 auto tracking, it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and see what you get in the box. On the box, we've got the EZVIZ C8W Pro Smart Home Camera. A little glimpse of what it's going to look like before we open the box. 2K 3 megapixel H.265 formatting. On the side here is AI-powered human vehicle shape detection, smart tracking, automatically tracks and follows the moving object to detect on the camera. On the other side, we have 340 degree pan, 80 degree tilt. So basically a 360 degree panoramic view. 2K streaming, AI, smart tracking, two-way talk, color night vision, active defense alarm, weatherproof design, and supports up to a 256 gigabyte SD card. To start out, we got the quick start guide here, a mounting template if you want it, waterproof connector for the connectors here, mounting screws with drywall anchors if you need them, a power cable for barrel connector, and then you have the camera. So this looks like their ordinary 360 style degree camera that they have. I did a review on a different one. I can't remember what the model number was off the top of my head, but I will put that up here in the top right so you can check it out as well if you're interested. This one is auto tracking, and it also has the spotlight feature for color night vision, which is great. They do have the power connector right here and an Ethernet cable connector if you want to, but this does operate off Wi-Fi. You got the logo at the top here, and you got the camera lens, the nice LED LED light right here. And then down here you have a reset button and micro SD card slot, and you have to remove the screws to get to it. Then looks like you have a speaker on the bottom here. And then you have 4 mounting screws here, so you can either mount it up on top here or on the side. And then here's a little pathway for the wire to go to if you need be. But really nice here is you can mount it up on top like this, or mount it to something like this. So depending on how you want to mount it, it's up to you. But that's all it really has for you. So we're gonna go ahead and get this connected to my phone and get it on the app. So now that you've seen what's in the box, let's go ahead and look at the quality of the video and get that out of the way. During the daytime, nighttime with night vision, and also nighttime with color night vision with the spotlight on. It does have color night vision without the spotlight if you have other lights going on in your backyard or front yard, but we went ahead and tested it with the spotlight. The spotlight is very bright. As you can see in this picture right here, I had to do a picture because my camera didn't pick it up as well, but this is what it looks like for my backyard. I have the camera mounted to my deck, and it does a pretty good job. And the cool thing is the spotlight doesn't turn on until it senses motion at night. So it's not always on, which is really good. So here are all the sample footages I took with this. Here's the quality of the video at nighttime with night vision and no lights on. That's what you're going to see. Here's the quality of the video during the nighttime with the spotlight on. This is what you're going to see when the spotlight turns on. So let me know what you think of the quality of the video down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this. For me personally, I think it does a fairly decent job. It's not super duper smooth 2K quality in my eyes, or in my mind. My eyes, my mind, both. But I will say for 150 bucks with all the features this thing packs, it's gonna net you the results that you're probably gonna need. Now, I can't decide that for you, but for the most part, for the most average people, or even someone that's really interested in seeing something further away or a little bit better quality, this is going to do just fine for you for 150 bucks. So first and foremost here, we have one camera set up right now, and I have the backyard camera. I named it that, and that's what it is over there. And, well, I say it's over there, but it's on my backyard. And it says it's armed right now. So you can see there's like a little shield all blue on the bottom, and it says it's armed because I currently have it armed. I can turn it on and off. So that means it's going to alert me when there's motion by a person. And then I have devices on the bottom left, which we're looking at, and library. So library will show me all the motion alerts and kind of gives you a quick, kind of a fast forward of what's going on. So you can kind of glance and see what's going on. And it got me earlier today kind of playing with it and trying to figure it out. So let's go ahead and tap on the image and it'll log in. Now, it logs in pretty quick and shows the live camera. Now, I am connected to the same network, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what it does when I'm just doing, when I turn off Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and see what it does. Not too bad at all. So it went ahead and got on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn back Wi-Fi back on because I want to make sure that I have full capabilities here. Well, it doesn't have less capabilities, but that way it doesn't do anything while we're doing this. So while you're tapping on it, it says tracking there. That means the tracking is on right now. I can pause live camera. I can listen in, which nothing's going on. I can tap the joystick so I can actually move the camera around so I can look around. As you can see, I can do that right now. And I can look at my neighbor's yard area. I can go over here and pan and tilt. So that's pretty cool. So I can look around, exit out of that. And then I can talk to somebody. So I am able to talk to somebody via intercom. So I can press, hold, talk, and then let go and listen. Or I can do it like a phone call, like you would talk back and forth without having to tap anything. Now, as you can see here at the top right, I can do settings. At the bottom, you got snapshot, record, PTZ, which is pan and tilt and zoom, talk, definition. It allows you to view the image as full HD, 1080p, high def, which is the 2K, standard, or you can cancel that. So that way, if you don't want to use a lot of data, you can do standard if you want. Then I can take a 360 image, so just kind of panoramic image of 360. I can turn on an alarm for it, and then I can rearrange the icons if I wanted to. So let's go ahead and get in on the settings here. So at the very top, I can have it record audio on and off. Audio mode is voice call because I think that's the most convenient. I got a status light on it. You can turn that on or off. It's blue. The infrared light, I can turn that on or off depending on what I want. It may impact the quality when it's really dark if it's not on. Alarm notification is enabled. Night vision mode, I have color night vision, black, white night vision, and smart night vision. Smart night vision will automatically switch to color night vision and turn that light on when there's motion detected. Auto tracking, which I have it enabled right now. You don't have to have it enabled. 360 image, I can go ahead and click on that, and it goes it will, it says no sensors available to add. Oh, it allows you to take the camera picture and then maybe it'll look at the sensors. This should support the function. I did it one time before. I don't know why it has it in there. Time zone, daytime, daylight savings time, date format, my Wi-Fi that I'm connected to, cloud storage. So right now I have the free 7-day cloud storage, which expires in 1 day. And I can subscribe to that. It's a little bit of money. Let's see. Not really sure how much it is. I think it's a couple bucks a month per camera. So cloud storage or memory card. We don't have a memory card in it now. I highly suggest, just get a memory card. It's going to be so much better for you, and you can take that little memory card out and plug it into a computer. You can see the device version, see if there's any updates that are needed. When I installed this and got it set up on my phone, there was an update, so we did that. Image encryption, so that way someone can't look at your images on the app or when you have it on the SD card without a password. And you can flip the image, so if you have the camera mounted upside down, you can flip the image. Sleep mode, basically the device stops monitoring and recording when sleep mode is on. OSD, which is the device, the name of it is displayed on the camera or where it shows you what you're recording. Offline notification, this is a notification if it goes offline. A quick user guide on here. I love when security camera or anything technology has the user guide on here, because you're not going to always have this around here. I know this is a quick start guide, but you're not going to always have this with you. Then about, so you can learn more about it, restart the device, and delete it. So there is the EZVIZ C8W Pro, and it looks like quite a few of their security cameras, because that's pretty much their patent design that they have. I don't know if it's patent. I don't know why I said that. But that's pretty much, any camera that looks like this, automatically assume it's the EZVIZ, because a lot of their cameras look like this. I think that for $150, this is not a bad purchase. EZVIZ, the app works really well, and just the use of it, the ease of use, and how well it detects motion, all that was really nice. It does detect my tree out here that moves around in the shadows, and it does tell me that's recording it, but I don't get an alert on that. I only get alerts if there's a person or a vehicle detection. So that's pretty cool. So I will have to kind of sift through some of that, because if I want to see if there was like a dog that ran back there or something like that. But it's not a huge deal. Automatically rewrites over the oldest on your SD card or your cloud storage if you have that. So don't worry about storage space because that's happening, but at least it gets it. Other than that, if this video helped you out in any way, please leave me a like. If you have any questions or comments about this, put in the comment section below. If I can't answer it, someone else surely can answer it for you too. If you're looking for the purchase of this product, I'll leave a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, and that does help out the channel, and it costs nothing to you. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out yourself down below in the description. And I will link a few SD cards that I recommend if you are interested in purchasing that too. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.